And our gift to you is the best variety for your holiday season.
This is my station. The whole family loves it.
89.5. 89.5.
My Subic Bay Radio and Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority.
Win as much as 600,000 pesos in any of our electronic bingo sites. Bingo Pot in Magsaysay Drive beside Sam's Pizza. And Bingo Bonus in Barreto. Bingo Party located at RC Mall, East Bahak Public Market. And your favorite bingo place, Bingo Party Traditional Bingo, is now open to serve you from 12:30 p.m. till 8:30 p.m. Bingo Pot is open from 11 a.m. to 4 a.m. Game responsibly. See you there.
And our Christmas song of the hour brought to you by TAC, Treasure Amusement Corporation, and Bingo Pot.
Hi, we are the students of Westfield International School, and you are listening to DJ Tommy G on 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Hey, welcome back, people. Final stretch of this radio show. Time once again for some of the latest news, updates, and events that will be happening or that has happened in the Subic Bay Freeport. Happening on September 25 is the BI Dagat 2024 Coastal Cleanup. Okay. Ayan na, tuloy na after being canceled because of inclement weather. Tuloy na September 25. Well, unless it's gonna be, storming again. Huwag naman sana, no? September 25 is, it falls on a Wednesday. And this coming Wednesday, 7 a.m. And of course, the area is at the Lighthouse Marina area. Okay, so register muna at 7 in the morning and then diretso cleanup na. Bring your cleaning materials with you and be sure to be wearing your cleaning up clothes, cleaning up gear, okay? Mas maganda wear protective gears like gloves para hindi masugat yung malakandilang kamay ninyo. Yan, Cutis Porcelana to maintain it. All right, once again, September 25, the actual coastal cleanup date now. And more from the Ecology Center. The Recycling Day in Kalayaan is set September 21. Okay, this coming Saturday. Join us on Saturday, September 21, 9 in the morning till 11:30 a.m. at the vacant lot beside Kalayaan Gobstopper for recyclables collection in partnership with Fuji Trading and Tetra Pak Philippines. Kalayaan naman this time, okay? This coming Saturday. Bring your used beverage cartons and other recyclable materials, and don't forget to clean them up and dry them up before putting in the recycling bins, okay? Also, don't forget, strictly no food waste and no mixed waste. Huwag niyong paghahalo-haluin. Kunyari, bakal, plastic, papel, huwag halo-halo. Kailangan naka-separate, naka-segregate pag dinala nyo. Okay? So, mark your calendars. Mga mahilig those who loves the environment. Everybody should love the environment actually. 9 a.m. See you, Kalayaan, at the parking lot in Kalayaan Gobstopper. Okay? I mean the vacant lot beside Kalayaan Gobstopper. Also, in addition, on September 24 naman, Tuesday, the town hall meeting for MPOX. All right, 9 a.m. to 12 noon at the Function Hall B, Subic Bay Exhibition and Convention Center. There will be a free shuttle from 8:15 to 8:30. Be there for the free shuttle. Okay? So, punta na kayo. Be sure to be there from 8:15 to 8:30 a.m. at the back of Building 229. And it's in front of Building 255. Okay? Sandwich between 229 and 255. That's where the shuttle, free shuttle for everybody is going to be. This is time allowed. So even if you're on duty, SBM employees, kung hindi ka naman SBM employee, pwede ka rin pumunta, pwede ka sumama, no? To learn more about MPOX. Okay, with the resource speaker, of course, Dr. Erlinda Lim Alconga. So as you can see, this is very important, huh? Okay. So, again, September 24, 2024, Tuesday, 9 a.m. to 12 noon, Function Hall B, SBEC, Subic Bay Exhibition and Convention Center. Brought to you by SBMA Public Health and Safety Group. And final set of invites before that, of course, Laugh Trip muna tayo. September 21 naman to. Okay? September 21 is, Saturday. This coming Saturday, 9 p.m. at the Palace. Okay? Meron ding scheduled for September 20 tsaka 22, kaya lang sold out na eh, no? 20 yung sa Cork Room, and then 22 yung sa Bruce. Pero September 21 na lang yung available na ticket. Pero bilisan nyo na kasi alam nyo naman, si Kuyang Alex Calleja ito eh, no? The Philippines' most popular stand-up comedian. Nowadays, siya ang pinakasikat sa Pilipinas. Si Alex Calleja along with his crew. Yung mga kasama niya na comedy crew, naku, nakakatawa rin itong mga to. Okay? Magagaling din magpatawa. I'm a comedy junkie, lalo na stand-up comedy junkie. Kaya lahat po ito napapanood ko on YouTube. I guarantee you guys, pag napanood nyo sila ng live, tapos paglabas nyo sa venue, hindi kayo nakatawa, nakasibangot pa rin kayo, magpatingin ka na. Something is definitely wrong with you. Okay? So again, watch Kuya Alex Calleja along with the comedy crew, The Palace, September 21, may tickets pa. Okay? So, to grab hold of the tickets, contact Kuya Mac Navarez. Ayan, sa kanya kayo manghingi ng ticket. Pero pag hiningi nyo, after niya ibigay sa inyo, bayaran nyo. May bayad yun, syempre. Tickets are on. Alam nga magpapatawa sila, libre lang. Ang hirap, alam nyo, ang hirap magpatawa ha, sa totoo lang. Kaya saludo ko sa mga stand-up comedians eh. Di ba? Magpapatawa, sila rin mismo minsan may dinadalang problema, pero they have to be in character, di ba? Okay? So, again, ang tickets na natitira, The Palace na lang, panoorin nyo. I occasionally do stand-up comedy rin eh. Minsan nag-MC tayo for weddings, for birthdays. Sinasamahan ko ng stand-up comedy. Yeah, okay? So, there's a tip for you. Alam nyo na ha, pag kailangan nyo ng MC, hindi lang MC. Di ba, kumakanta, nag-stand-up comedy. Kung gusto nyo, sasayaw pa eh, pwede. May kasama pang sayaw. Okay? To buy the tickets, contact Kuya Mac Navarez. Call or text. Ito na rin yung GCash niya pag bibili kayo ng ticket. 0966-561-1088. 0966-561-1088. Okay? Again, ang available na lang na tickets, The Palace, September 21. Yun na lang ang meron. Ubus na yung sa September 20 tsaka sa 22. Okay? So, check it out. Tapos meron pa palang I almost forgot, my one free drink pag bumili kayo ng ticket sa September 21 date ng Laugh Trip Olongapo Subic. Actually, yun yung title ng show eh. Laugh Trip Olongapo Subic. Okay. Kasama si Kuya Mac Navarez na magpapatawa dyan. Siyempre, napakagaling na komedyante rin yan. Idol ko kaya yan, no? And here's the good news, the great news. Tuwing Wednesday, nandito si Kuya Mac Navarez dito sa The Morning Brew. Okay? Sa final hour lagi tuwing Wednesday. Kasama ang magaling din magpatawa na si Kuya Kin Portasio. Okay? Na kakasal lang. Congratulations. Tsaka si Kuya Trixie Corpez. Ayan, napaka-talented na mama rin yan. Magaling kumanta, magaling na musician. Kasama rin siya sa show actually. He's the comedian/comedian. Okay? Si Kuya Trixie Corpez. Alright? Sketchy Paradise Band. Okie dokie, and time for me now to give you the final set of invites coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Okay, check it out. They have this special offer of massage for everybody. Avail 20% discount for seniors and PWDs at the Vibes Massage. Yun, the Vibes Massage. You also request for home service massage with one of our skilled blind therapists. Ayan, okay? Parang CSR to no? Ng Social Responsibility Program. We give slots to blind therapists, mga blind na nagmamasahe. Book now and be ready to be recharged. All right? 0953-601-3385 and 0923-195-6444. Vibes Massage, Level 3 of SM City, Olongapo Central. Or Olongapo Downtown, I'm sorry. Okay? SM City, Olongapo Downtown po yung location, ha? And also, check out this amazing offer. Voters registration, okay, is there's only 11 days to go before the last day of the voters registration. 11 days na lang, ha? Ang natitira. So you better hurry. You may register at SM City Olongapo Central, ground level, Monday to Saturday until September 30. Saturday, September 30. Okay? Tama ba ako? Yeah, I think so. So, yeah. So, check it out. 11 days na lang. So, local voter registration at the ground level of SM Central. Okay? Diyan na kayo magpa-rehistro. Yan. Air-conditioned pa at the mall. And then, pwedeng mag-malling afterwards, di ba? Also, check out the women's accessories sale. Okay? 50% off September 1 to 30 at all women's accessories at the SM Store, your everyday store. And free Coca-Cola for government employees and the pensioners as well. Just present your government employees ID. Okay? September 1 to 30 at all SM food courts. Lahat ng SM food court. Free Coca-Cola for government employees in celebration of the 124th anniversary of the Civil Service Commission. Okay? And Kabayan Day Tuesdays is happening. Of course, every first Tuesday of the month, just present your Kabayan passbook or card brought to you by BDO Remit and SM Supermalls. Okay? Kabayan Tuesdays every first Tuesday of the month at all SM malls. Okay? And lastly, let me give you the lineup of movies. Uy, Transformers 1 now showing. Okay? So we have a new lineup dahil Wednesday kahapon, ano? So ito na yung bagong lineup of movies for you na pwede nyong mapanood. Cinema 1 for SM Downtown Cinemas. Unhappy for You, Transformers 1, back-to-back. Cinema 2, Transformers 1. And then Cinema 3, Never Let Go, back-to-back with Jungkook. I Am Still. Ayan. Sino si Jungkook? Panoorin nyo. For SM Central Cinemas, Cinema 1, Takli Genesis. Cinema 2, Transformers 1. Cinema 3, Never Let Go. Cinema 4, Unhappy for You. Cinema 5, Beetlejuice, back-to-back with Jungkook. And lastly, Cinema 6, Transformers 1. So there you go, the lineup of movies for you at all SM Cinemas, Central and Downtown, both. Okay? So buy your tickets now, and you guys know you can buy your tickets early. Pag bumili kayo ng tickets early, the good thing about it is you can get to choose which sitting arrangement you want kung saan ka located, no? Na uupo. Alright? So that's about it for now, and also, that's about it for me. DJ Tommy G, maraming salamat. Thank you for joining me. I'm gonna say goodbye now. I'll be playing my final song. Shout out kay Kuya Aye Agpalo and Kuya Dante Nabat na nag-birthday kamakailan lang, no? Happy birthday ulit. Pahabol. He happens to be a batchmate of mine from high school. Ayan, okay? And he is also an artista, character actor for movies. Yan, naalala ko ulit tuloy yung ano, no? Yung in-offer niya sa akin kung gusto ko raw mag-roll ng pari. Sabi ko, dream role ko talaga, rapist eh. Pero for starters, pwede na, pari muna. Leaving you now with my final song. This is Bakit Kung Sino Pa by Lloyd O'Malley. Final song for you guys, requested song. And with this song for now, Tommy G saying peace. I'm out of here, stay safe, and happy Thursday everybody. Bye for now.